Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Molly's YouTube debut. You want to say hi?
Hi.
And how cute are our shirts? Coffee and sunshine. What does yours say?
Puppies and sunshine.
All right, so I ordered this box on Thursday, and today is Monday. It just arrived. This is going to be a little fun unboxing. I didn't know this was such a thing. I'm a part-time reseller. I'm here in Orlando, so I have sold a couple of these type of items in the past, but I was fumbling across the Goodwill Bluebox website. I opened my 10 for 10 yesterday. You can see that video and was pleasantly surprised. So this is their 10-pound plushie box. I've got my numbers right here. It is 10 pounds of stuffed animals.
Yay.
I hadn't told her yet. And this little nugget loves stuffed animals, so that's why I want her to help me unbox them. So it is $19.99 plus $5 shipping. I had a coupon that kind of made it a little bit cheaper. Once your first time order, you get a couple bucks off. So it ended up costing me $23.16 total. Now, my rationale for this is, Molly, do you like when we go to Target and we buy those little things that are surprises and you open it and you don't know what's inside?
What's it like?
Any of them. Like the
confetti
Shopkins,
pops?
oh yeah, the confetti pops, all those.
Mm-hmm.
So those are like $5 each. So honestly, this is just like buying a giant adult size little mystery box. So you know what, if it's a whole dud and we end up redonating all of these, awesome. I am hoping there's at least one or two that I could put up in my Kidizen and Mercari and eBay closets. And never know, maybe we'll make our $23 back. Maybe Molly will get a thing or two that she loves. So let's do this. This was the box. I didn't really show you how big it was. Here we go.
Wait, does that have colors in it?
I don't know what's in it. I don't know. Oh, we got a little blurry.
Ooh.
Ah, we're back. Okay, I'm just gonna hand them one at a time.
A bunny.
Do we love bunnies?
Yep.
We do. Here, do you want to sit right here on my lap?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so this is a bunny. American Greetings. So they make cards. So he's cute, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here, we'll just throw them all down here. All right.
Okay.
What is this?
A dog or a bear?
It says puppy love. Is he cute?
Yep.
Pretty clean. Hug fun. I don't know, guys.
Like Gamble or Chance.
It does. I don't know what kind of dog it is, but there is a guy whose channel I watched recently. All he does is sell plushies from these boxes, and he's like $15, $14, $25, $30. I don't know.
Maybe it's a bulldog.
Oh, maybe a bulldog. All right.
Penguin.
A penguin. This is by Fiesta Toy. I don't know. I am not on the up and up of toys, but the thing about plushies, you can throw them in the wash, and they're good as new. All right. What is this?
A ladybug.
Oh, this is cute. Oh, it's brand new with a tag. So I can definitely list this one by Bun Bun. What do you think? What does it look like? What are those things from Disney that you like? Zoom Zooms.
Oh, yeah.
It does. Doesn't it look like a Zoom Zoom?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Shall we see?
A bear.
He says Baltimore. He is kind of on the heavy side. Doesn't say anything on the tag. Yeah, feel him. What do you think? Let's see, what is this?
A bunny!
What you guys don't know is that Molly is obsessed with bunnies. And what is the only thing you want for Christmas?
A bunny.
Who do you think is going to bring you a live bunny?
Santa?
I don't know about all that, kid. So, I mean, this is something that will come in like an Easter basket. Greenbrier International, which means it's from the Dollar Tree. But he's quite large to be a Dollar Tree, but I know Greenbrier is Dollar
Two bunnies.
Two bunnies. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is very cute, Mall.
Is that a moose or a reindeer?
That's a good question, but you know what? I bet he's worth some money.
I think he's a moose.
New with the tags, Unipack Designs. And I say I bet he's worth some money simply because his arms and legs are movable. Like they stay. So I might just make my money back on this box after all, Mom. Let's see if it says the year. Nope. But he's very cute and brand new. So, hey.
Looks like a moose.
Looks like a moose. Are we going to go with that? A moose?
Yep.
Yep. I like him. He's cute. That's my favorite so far.
How about we say
What is
right
this?
now? A snowman.
A snowman. He's got a 2005.
Whoa.
He's
that's
like
a
almost
lot.
vintage. He is from, I don't know, it says decoration, not a toy. So way to go, Goodwill, putting not a toy in here. But he's got a, what's it called? Beanbag filled tush. So he'll just sit on the counter
Yeah.
real
A
cute.
bean bag.
Yeah. All right, what's this guy?
Aw, the cute little bear.
Can we read what it says?
Love. Yay?
Love ya.
Yeah. That's funny.
That is so funny. His ears look a little small for his head. What you think? Just a little.
Tinier than the other bear's ears. A kitty.
He's cute.
White and black. And kind
He's
of gray.
from Aurora, which I've seen that. I've bought my kids stuff of that brand. I don't know anything about it.
Like orange.
He's very cute. Do you like kitties? Here, you can hold that one.
Yeah.
Another Christmas something. A
Oh,
reindeer.
dear.
And he says, this is Dancer
Dancer.
by Sugarloaf.
Sugar.
Sugarloaf. Is he cute?
Yeah.
I think we could set the Christmas ones, you know, maybe over on the fireplace and be some decorations for the last couple days. Christmas is in just a few days.
Only 4 more.
A few more. Oh my gosh. What is this?
A bunny?
I feel, does someone have jokes out there sending me a box full of bunnies when I've already said we're not getting a bunny? He is very, very soft. Wow.
Wait, it is? Oh, yeah.
Do you like him?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. That one is actually really cute.
Can we keep some of the bunnies?
Can we keep them? Maybe a couple. All right. Oh, Molly.
What?
Miss
What?
Molly
What?
collects these, and I don't know if we have this one. Ready?
What? Whoa, I don't have this one actually.
You don't?
Yeah.
So this is
I only have a unicorn, and then a bunny, and then a giraffe.
this is Tracy. It's a
Tracy.
Beanie Boo.
Can I
Tracy.
have that?
Can you have it?
Yeah.
You can have it.
Yay!
So that made the box worth it right there, guys. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is a very realistic looking, what is it?
Tiger.
A tiger? His tag is very faded.
Maybe
Wow.
he didn't wash.
He would be cool, like in a classroom.
Maybe in a safari
Maybe.
classroom. And a bear!
A bear!
With a little hood!
This is brand new. Oh, we have the hood. Guys, this is cute. This is from Aeropostale. Did I say that right? Look, it has the tag from Aeropostale, $29.50. Save Our Earth. 2010. So 10 years ago, brand new with the tag. Shoot, maybe I can sell him too. I don't know. He's kind of fun.
Yeah.
There's still more in here, Mom. What?
A dog!
Wow. This is a Rescue Runt by KD Group. What's a Rescue Runt?
I don't know.
I don't know. It looks a little like it needs a bath. I mean, not really, but it looks a little mangy.
Crazy.
It's crazy.
It looks like a wild dog.
It does. So wild. You guys, I cannot make this up. What is happening?
A huge bunny!
A little backstory. Molly has been asking for a bunny from Santa since at least May of this year. So,
Bunny, bunny, bun, bun.
oh my gosh, this is so funny. We've told her Santa doesn't bring bunnies. He doesn't bring live animals. So this is 2013. I'm just dying at this. By Dan D, Collector's Choice.
Whoa.
He's very soft from 2013. Oh my gosh, this is like some super cheap.
A fire dog?
National Prize Toys. A fire dog?
Or 100 and
It
Dalmatian?
looks like there's only 2 more things left. One is tiny,
Frog.
a little frog, and one is quite large. Are you ready for this?
A huge
A
dog.
dog that says I love you. Let me see the tag. From Walmart. Oh, but look, he's new with the tag. So you know what? I can probably sell him on for Valentine's Day. Oh my gosh, this thing is big.
Maybe we can hold that up for Valentine's Day actually.
You think? Okay, so that was it, you guys. I don't know. Was it worth $23? Molly, was this worth $23?
Yep.
Yep. What were your,
Here's a bunny.
like, how many bunnies did we get? 1,
2,
2, 3, 3, right? 3 bunnies. So guys, this was so fun.
3 bunnies.
Here, you have to show Daddy. He's not even gonna believe it.
Bunny.
So I got 1, 2, 3 that are brand new with tags. 4 this little ladybug thing. 4 new with the tags. So I will definitely list those new with the tags items for sure. Will I make my $23 back? Actually, I might be able to make my $23 back, and that was fun. Hey, and these things are quite expensive. These are like 20 bucks on their own. So hey, go run it and show Daddy that. I'll be right there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching my last several. Close the door. Goodbye. I'll be right there. I'll be right there. I just had to tell you guys something before I signed off. She's getting a bunny. So that's just funny. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful Monday and are finishing up all your Christmas stuff. And I don't have any more boxes on the way to me right now. So, oh, you want to say goodbye?
Real quick.
Okay, real quick. This was Molly's debut video. So maybe we'll see you real soon. Bye.